All right, I'm going to demonstrate the standard method for subtracting. I have 7,610 minus 245. Now I do have some problems with this activity. I cannot take this 5 from the 0. And the same thing here, I cannot take that 4 from the 1. Both those numbers are too big. So the method that most kids learn how to do this is just borrowing or regrouping. So I'm going to borrow from here. That's going to become a 0. And I'm bringing over 10. Okay, now I can do my subtraction in the ones place. 10 minus 5 is 5. I cannot take the 4 from the 0, so again I'm going to borrow here. My 6 is going to become a 5. 10 minus 4 is 6. And now it gets easy. I don't have to do any more borrowing. 5 minus 2 is 3. And I bring down my 7, and I slip my decimal in, or my comma in there. All right, we're going to do another example. Here I go with my second example. I have 4,803 minus 245. I cannot take the 5 from 3, and I cannot take the 4 from the 0. So I need to do some regrouping or renaming or borrowing. I'm going to start here because I cannot borrow from the 0. My 8 is going to become a 7. For just one moment, my 0 is going to become a 10. And I'm going to borrow from it, changing it to a 9. Now I finally get over to my 3 where I need my number. I make that 13. And now I can do my subtraction. 13 minus 5 is 8. 9 minus 4 is 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. 0 from 4 is still 4, so we bring down our 4 and we insert our comma. And there you have it. That's the standard method for subtracting. We're going to explore a couple more methods in other videos.